Hi guys, so we're going to be trying out these nails from Veda Tinda. They give instructions on the back on how to apply them. In every set, you get this little package. It includes a nail ruler, a cuticle pusher, nail file, alcohol pad, as well as their nail glue. So I'm just starting off by measuring my nails. This is the before, and then this is the after. This is how long they are. Super cute. Now we're going to test out this color. Using their nail glue, I'm first going to start off by measuring my nails. Push my cuticles back just a little bit. I'm also going to wipe the nail with the alcohol pad. This is the before. Now I'm going in with the nail glue, and I absolutely love the applicator. I'm painting the glue on the nail and then pressing the nail down to make sure it's in place. I'm obsessed with how these turned out. They are so cute and super comfortable. The nail glue did not burn my skin at all.